Good afternoon, year 5 and 6. Happy Friday. It's a beautiful sunny day outside, so I hope you've been able to go out, get some fresh air and some exercise. Welcome to this week's celebration assembly. Let's see. So 69 children have achieved Emerald certificates this week. That is huge. That's the best we've had so far. So that means lots of children, whether they're in school or at home, have been working really, really hard and have done enough to achieve an Emerald certificate. So huge well done to them. Let's find out who they are. Well done to Farhad, Krupa, Salafa, Samira, Jack, Abner, Sebastian, Kathleen, Luca, Julia, Anna Swika from Batuta class. In Churchill class, well done Raisa, Mario, Haida, Yamindi, Eric, Shyster, Raisa, Grace, Faris, Ikram, Diana and Haida. In Darwin class, well done Barthana, Tatsum, Bargo, Srivatsan, Jamal, Burkan, Jordan, Robert, Jasmine, Taiba, well done Ria, Massey and Marwa. In Gandhi class, a big well done to Dua, Evelina, Mora, Kavish, Sana, Maria and Parathis. In Luther King, well done Mariama, Parisa, Race, Anastasia, well done Elias, Vinaya, Howard, Zubair, Ibrahim, Ayub, Belinat, Anna, Zara, Anishanth. And last but not least, Shackleton class, well done to Janea, Raki, Kyle, Aisha, Karim, Nilavin, Abeda, Akhenaten, Demi, Tia, Yogesh. And that is everyone. So a huge well done to all of you who achieved a certificate this week. If you would like to be in a chance with achieving a certificate next week, you need to make sure you complete your online learning, email it into your teachers, or if you're in school, carry on working hard, behaving well, making the right choices. So look forward to seeing who achieves certificates next week. Enjoy your weekend.